All right, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Dominic Rodriguez, a lead developer of your next favorite MMORPG, Magickness. Today we're going to be covering some of the nuances when playing the demo. I've gotten some feedback. Let's see, we're going to delete this guy and jump in here. Okay, so for PC, you're gonna go hit your D key to go to the right. You're gonna go into the Pangea server, connect. Okay, so it may be that if you log into the game and you're the only one in here, you might fall through the terrain. So if that happens, hit your escape key, go to settings, snap to terrain, and that will put you right back on the land. It's quiet. Too quiet. Alright, there's some dinos over there. Where are all the dinos? Go look for these guys real quick. You want to use the R key to interact. You can also go in controls, and we have controls here. So interact is going to be your go-to key for gathering. And you probably want to, we're going to shut that off. Strange. Might have to restart the server, because there's supposed to be more dinos here. You want to go to the trees, collect vines using the R key. And we don't have tools yet, so we can't chop nothing. We'll grab some vines. There goes some clothes. Oh, that's weird. Wait, is that supposed to be like that? I forgot what he's supposed to look like. Alright. Got some clothes. Grab some sticks off the ground. What do we need now? We need some stone. And one dino, that's weird. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to restart the server so we can get more dinos in here. For some reason, they're not respawning. Just only have one dino. Unless they all ran into the water. Let's check the water. Looks like somebody attacked the dummy. I should probably make a weapon first. That should probably be the first thing I... Yeah. You're going to want to chop these trees down after you harvest the vines. Oh, there's more dinos. Alright, now they're starting to pop up. Because you want to reset the vines. So there's, what, 2 dinos? Can't tell. 1, 2, 3. Alright, here they come. Alright, we're almost surrounded now. We want to stockpile your healing. Now, I didn't test the test dummies yet. Forgot. There we go. See what happens. Oh, cool. Oh, okay, it works. What did I get? Did I get something? Dirt clump. Okay. So let's see. Don't make your name longer than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 characters. Or else you're not going to be able to read it. So yeah, this is an early version of the demo. I just wanted to get it out there, get the ball rolling. I'm gonna finish the trailer sometime this week. Next week, I will start the process for Kickstarter. Right now, I'm not going to touch anything until I hear back from Steam. We have the demo undergoing a Steam review. So hopefully they don't fall through the floor when they try and play. Like, yeah, we can't accept your game. We didn't get to play it. I swear it works. I don't know. I'm really digging the soundtrack. I can just sit here and listen to the music. Oh yeah, I'm waiting to see what happens with this dummy. Does he come back? Can I keep hitting him? No. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to restart. Wait, should I restart the server? I'm not thinking about it now because there's dinos here now. Just not a lot. It's supposed to be a lot more. See if I run around and can stimulate the dinos. Spawn for me, dinos. Oh. He disappeared. Uh-oh. I'll have to fix that later. There's supposed to be dinos all over this place. So, yep. Alright. I'm going to restart the server. I'm going to leave a Discord link in the description. All right. As always, we are only building up from here. Till next time, stay magical. I gotta fix that too.